So for today, I thought I will take one interesting topic, and I think it's important that we are aware of these situations which are going around. And I thought I will make a video on COVID. Yeah. So before I start, right, I want to make one thing clear. So here it will not be a normal session where people used to uh, speak in a serious tone, something like, yeah, today we will discuss something about COVID awareness, which is an important topic, and yeah, please give attention. And it is spreading a lot, and I want to make other people are aware of this and that and all. And please be aware and please give attention, otherwise you will miss out on important things. If I say something like this, I'm pretty sure like no one will listen to me. So what I thought is I will make this session and fun-filled one. That's it. Yep. So my agenda will be to cover a few of the aspects of COVID awareness in a fun-filled way, so that everyone understands that and they start following. And we see some better situation coming going forward. Yeah. With that thing, let me get started with the disclaimer. So whatever you see in this slides, right, are taken directly from the COVID person or COVID uh, observed persons, which are near and dear friends of them. Yeah. And these are not taken directly from any TV channels or newspapers or something. So these things you can trust. That's what I want to say. And here I'm not forcing anyone to do any sort of things. I just want to put the information in front of you, like what are the things which are going fine and what are the things which we can do better and which helped others as well. That part I want to cover. That's the agenda for today. Yeah. And with that note, let's get started. Yeah. So let me start with the common facts that we all know, and we also follow those things. And those are like stay at home, mask up, then no need to go outside for some silly things and all, and keeping distance, and lastly, sanitize each other. These sort of things we all doing, right? And this is obvious for everyone. Apart from that, I want to cover other aspects like possible ways of infection. So normally we will order things through Zomato or Swiggy or something, right? And we normally forget to put up the masks. So in that cases, I just want to highlight like please wear a mask, wear a mask so that you are in the safe zone. Yeah. That's the point here. And we used to go outside to get milk and some other items outside. And that time, it's always better to wear mask. That's the point here. And we can't ask people to go outside with these sort of things, right? Like wearing masks and other kits and all. So we can't ask these guys. And if any person looks something like this, right, we'll call him a mad. Yeah, so that's how it is. And we can't ask them also. So I just want to say like uh, whatever max you can do, right? You can always do that. And that's the point I want to highlight. Yeah. And coming to the reasons for not getting vaccinated, this is an important point I want to bring in front of you guys. And a few of the points I have covered here. One of the possible reasons why people are not getting vaccinated is because they are afraid of injections. It may seems to be a silly reason for someone else, but trust me, people are afraid of injections and they don't want to get vaccinated. That's the point. And second reason could be the fever and other symptoms you will get. other side effects you will get after getting the vaccination. They have seen people getting fever after a few days or within a day or so. So they don't want to uh, get in that zone. That's their point. Yeah. Uh, this is the second reason, and third reason will be might be not will be might be the slogan what we have, right? Like stay at home. They have taken that so seriously. Like I don't want to get outside even for vaccination. Yeah, that might be the reason. And the last part is the important one. And here there were rumors, like after getting vaccination, people will get converted into cow. So that is one of the reason people were afraid of getting the vaccination. Yep. And there might be plenty of reasons. I have covered a few of them here. And why should I get vaccinated? We have seen like why people are not getting vaccinated, and let's see why should I get vaccinated. So the first point what I want to highlight is we have seen a person who is 89 plus year old, and he saw some COVID symptoms in him, and he uh, uh, he cleared whole of these things like whole of the COVID symptoms and all within span of hours. Yeah. And what we can guess is he's developed antibodies in his body because of this second dose. He has completed his second dose and he is able to recover very fast. That's what we saw in one of the patients and thought we will share the things with you also. And so with that note, right, I just want to say like it's good to have vaccinated, to get vaccinated, right? An example I just want to highlight here. That's I and other part is an important one. So we are in a phase where we want to share everything in social media, right? So we do have an opportunity to share the thing. And that thing is we can put a WhatsApp status or in Facebook, we can proudly say, yeah, I got vaccinated. Yes, like this time. Yeah, can always do that. And it is a trend, trust me, can always try that out. Yeah. Then one of the best things we can do. So first, main thing what I suggest everyone is avoid watching many local TV channels. Reason being, you will get depressed many a times because you hear people saying, yeah, so many guys are in bad state and all. And I feel like there is no need for such things. But obviously, you need to be aware of the situations which are going around you that anyhow you'll get from some of your relatives or someone else. But TV channels, I feel like, yeah, it is not required. That's my opinion. It's up to you whether you take it or not. Yep. So the other one is we need to trust the experts. We need to trust the experts and we need to take advice from them and not the advices from the TV channels. That's what I feel, right? And yeah, because why are experts? We know experts are putting so much of effort in uh, uh, getting the ways to avoid COVID and those sort of things, and getting a fast recovery. Those sort of things they are doing. So they are the experts. Leave them to them. That's what I feel. I'm just sort of informing you guys. Yeah. Then coming to best things we are already doing. So the thing is we normally play some physical activity, right? Like playing tennis, playing cricket. I like playing cricket. That's a given for me. Yeah. And even doing yoga is also a good thing because when you are in quarantine, right? Assuming you have COVID symptoms and you want to be in quarantine, what you will do in quarantine? You watch movies and you will be online. That's fine. Along with that, to be healthy, right? What Wise proposes doing yoga, and I saw people's getting recovered very fast with the yoga. So I suggest the same thing to everyone. Yeah. Then a few observations, and let me start with how to test my vaccine. I got a vaccine, and how to test that vaccine, whether it's a genuine one or not. Normally, people will get an response in his or her body after a few days, maybe after 24 hours, like you will feel fever. That's the symptoms. Like there are antibodies which are getting generated and they are ready to fight against the COVID. Yeah, that's the indication, and you can trust the vaccine in that sense. Yeah, yeah, sure. Then coming to the sign of indicator, I want to know like when COVID is moving away from me after getting infected. The first thing what I said proposes, if you are getting a chest pain, right? That's the indication like you are out of COVID and you're almost done with it. That's the spirit, right? That's the spirit of the thing after fighting the COVID thing. Yep, great. Till now. Then moving to the extra thing what we are doing. We have seen plenty of uh, what is it? Lack of resources like beds, oxygen cylinders, and those sort of things. In spite of that, in many of the companies, we saw people are getting together and they are working tirelessly 24 by 7 in helping the affected persons. Mm. In a sense, like if they want something in terms of hospital information or cylinder information or bed information, those sort of things, people are there. They are creating some sort of uh, groups among themselves and they are working as a volunteers and they are helping. And we have seen plenty of examples, right? So hats off to them. And one of the important part what we normally forget is post-COVID health monitor. So people are taking initiative in doing that also. We need to monitor our health or our dear one's health after the COVID. That is also an equally important part. So please don't forget that. Yeah. And in that sense, right? When compared to the past one, we are like these guys now, and we are ready to face the things going forward, right? Yeah. Then let me conclude the things. So just to conclude, on a serious note, let me conclude, and I will come to the fun part later. So on a serious note, there is no need for hateness in this time. We have seen people are getting lost within a span of 24 hours, which are dear and dear as to us, and maybe we have some sort of uneasy relationship with them, and we have lost them within span of days or weeks. So in that sense, we are not in a time where we will hate some person, and we need to keep that aside, and we need to take the things wholeheartedly, and we need to accept the other person. That's what I feel, and I think that's the best we can do in this situation. And whatever best things, best advices you can give to the other person, right, in this COVID time, maybe call the person who is in quarantine and speak to him. That's all it takes. they will feel good after that, and that gives plenty of a strength for them to come out of the situation more quickly. Yeah. So in that sense, I would say like take care of yourself and stay safe and keep tracking your health and the relatives who are there. And it's always better to speak to them if they are in serious condition, right? Coming to the last part, like final comments. So we are all in this situation together, and for sure we will come out of this together, right? So this is this is not an comment, this is a spoiler, right? Yeah. And so I just want to say like just be Sheldon. So I know many of you are big fans of Big Bang Theory, and being a Sheldon will help you in this situation um, more than others, right? With that thing, thanks for your time and see you in my next video. Thanks you guys. Bye. Bye everyone.